In this video, I'll show you how to apply for the Robinhood Cash Card step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to apply for a Robinhood Cash Card, first open the Robinhood app and make sure you're logged into your account. You need to have a Robinhood spending account, and to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and a US residential address. Once eligible, tap the cash icon at the bottom of the app, which looks like a card, to go to the spending section. If you don't have a spending account, follow the on-screen instructions to open one by entering your personal details and submitting your application. After your spending account is approved, go back to the cash section and tap on Request Card. Confirm your mailing address and submit your card request. You'll receive your physical card by mail. When it arrives, open the app, navigate to the spending section, and tap Activate Card. Follow the prompts to complete activation. Once activated, your Robinhood Cash Card can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you can manage your card activity and spending directly within the app. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.